Right, hello guys, welcome to the backyard greenhouse. What you see right now is I'm practically actually removing, trimming, just taking off all the leaves of my pepper plants. These two rows right here. Um, oh, as I mentioned in my older videos, this is all my Goliath bell peppers. The cayenne over there, sorry, cayenne, and my sweet banana peppers. So there's nothing in the back. Now these bell pepper stems did not grow really tall like the others. They stay at a small height. I think it was my solution that I had did previously in the beds was the measurements were wrong. So when I fixed it, it grew a little but not as much. Everything was trying to do leaves after leaves. So okay, what I'm trying to do is just remove all the leaves. As you can see, just stems. Because it's already at the stages where it's doing its buds. You can, there it is. So yeah, they're all doing this. Well, I don't have that much. So as you can see them right there. I just want them to focus. I'll put my hand behind it. Okay, I want them to flower up. That way they can take and start producing my peppers. As you can see, they all have their own individual buds and they're everywhere, and that's how I'm trying to get them to focus on. So I still have a lot of trimming of these leaves. I don't need them anymore. I just want the buds too, and then they can actually have a lot of aeration as they start producing the peppers, and they can focus on that instead. So that's what I'm trying to do. When I'm starting to see more changes, starting to see more production of my peppers taking, I'm going to do another video and you guys see it after effect after doing all this. Alright, so I thought I'd let you guys know what I'm doing. So, till next time guys, take care.